Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can redeem Oculus Gift Code. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. The first step is to visit Meta's website. Once you are there, ensure that you are logged into your account. You can check this by clicking on the icon in the top right corner where you should see your name and various settings. If you are not, click on Sign Up or Log In and then select your Facebook or Instagram account to continue. Or you can continue by adding email addresses instead. Once done, go to your Gmail account to get your confirmation code to redeem your Oculus gift card. After that, tap on your profile icon, navigate to the option labeled Meta Horizon Profile Settings, click on it, and you will be directed to the profile section on the left. Scroll down to find the redeem code option, click on it and add a section to enter. Your code will appear. After correctly typing in the code, click the button to automatically redeem the Oculus gift code to your Meta account. So that's basically how you can redeem Oculus gift code. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.